Hi friends, in this video we are going to find the solution of one more problem from GATE 2020 which they have asked in mathematics part. The question says that which of the following function f of z of the complex variable. Okay, so they have not given variable as real variable, they have given complex variable z. Complex variable z means what? Z is equal to some x plus iy. So we have a real part as well as we have a imaginary part in complex variable. And they ask you to the complex variable z is not analytic, right? So what is analytic means? Actually the analytic word says that that function must be continuous, as well as differentiable at given point. So f of z is continuous and derivative is also continuous or exist at that point if point is given. But here they ask you analytic at all points. So which function is continuous as well as differentiable at all point? This is the question from the complex variable. So we will see the first. F of z is equal to z square, correct? So f of z equal to z square is actually looking like parabola if you consider this as x square. And this f of z equal to z square is continuous function. What is derivative? Derivative is 2z. So there is no problem in finding the derivative, and it is continuous and it is actually exists at every point, because if you substitute z as any value, this will not be infinity, right? So second function f of z is equal to e raised to z, and this e raised to z is, we know that this is continuous, so this is also continuous. So continuous, what is derivative? So f dash z is equal to e raised to z derivative, which is again exist, correct? This is exist. Now this e raised to z, actually speciality of e raised to z is what? E raised to z is entire function. The question may ask you which of the following function is entire instead of analytic also. So entire functions are e raised to z, sin z, cos z. These are the entire function. Okay, so remember this also with this problem. C part, f of z is equal to given sin z. Sin z is continuous function, right? And what is derivative? What is derivative? F dash z. F dash z is cos z. इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा, राइट? बिकॉज दिस विल बी एग्जिस्ट एट एवरी पॉइंट, क्योंकि cos z का वैल्यू ऑलवेज एग्जिस्ट करेगा. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट, नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन डी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी सेज दैट we have given f of z is equal to log z. This is actually continuous function, correct? लेकिन ये continuous actually होगा क्या? हर एक टाइम, हर एक पॉइंट पे नहीं होगा, क्योंकि log 0 पे क्या होगा वो? So log 0 पे हमारा क्या मिलेगा? माइनस इंफिनिटी मिलेगा, क्योंकि हमारा log 0 क्या होगा? माइनस इंफिनिटी होगा. सिमिलरली वी कैन चेक f dash z is 1 upon z. log z का डेरिवेटिव 1 by z होगा, और ये एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं होगा. किस पॉइंट पे एग्जिस्ट नहीं होगा? एट z इक्वल टू 0 पे. तो ये z इक्वल टू 0 पे ये एग्जिस्ट नहीं करेगा, मतलब ये हमारा फंक्शन एनालिटिक नहीं होगा, करेक्ट? एनालिटिक नहीं होगा एट सम पॉइंट. सो इधर तो बोला है उन्होंने एट ऑल पॉइंट, तो एक ऐसा फंक्शन मिला जो मेरा कंटिन्यूअस और डिफरेंशिएबल नहीं है एट सम पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट. सो उन्होंने बोला था नॉट एनालिटिक. तो ये नॉट एनालिटिक मतलब हमारा ये तो ऑप्शन इलिमिनेट होगा, z स्क्वायर, e रेज टू z और sin z. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा? log z. सो रिमेंबर दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड प्रॉब्लम एज फॉर एंटायर फंक्शन ऑल्सो. सो एंटायर फंक्शंस आर e रेज टू z, sin z, cos z. Okay. So thank you. If you have liked this video, then please share, like and comment on this video. I will